Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go! As discussed in the previous week analysis, Monday was a day as a decision day, where we had a bullish pin bar formed on the 1.09860 support level, which indicated the move up because of a bullish pressure that was formed below this level. What we can see here is the small body candle with a large wick, where the wick has gone below previous lows of these bullish pin bars, which indicated this pressure of the bulls below this level is so strong that the price could not move down. On the next day, what we can see here is a strong bullish candle that took over all these previous candles and closed above 1.10755 resistance level. We have a large wick on the upper side, which reached previous level, which we have here on this candle. But the price returned back down and closed above support level. This was also a signal that the price could move higher. What we can see here is the uptrend channel. This is the resistance line that prevented the price from reaching higher levels. That was the reason why the price closed below, but it was above this resistance level. Now this level acted as a support. What we can see here, when we move on the 4-hour time frame, we will see how the price prevented the price to move down. The price reached higher levels here, but then returned back down to respect this level 1.10755 now as a support. Then we had two candles here staying and confirming that this level is a support without going down and closing on a 4-hour time frame below. After that, the price moved up. Just a minute, let's return on a daily candle. The price returned up and reached this level, which is a start of a supply zone here. This prevented the price to reach higher levels. The price closed the day at 1.11549. This level was almost 1.1160, which I have mentioned in the email notification I have sent to all of you, which was also an exit level if you have entered here, which is also mentioned if the price made a bullish price action signal. Now, when the price has reached this level, on Thursday, the price reached higher level and reached this resistance level, 1.11871. After that, the price only moved down. What we can see here on Thursday, we have a strong engulfing bearish candle, which closed below this previous daily candle. This is a perfect engulfing bearish candle where we have a previous candle body completely inside this day candle body, and the wick of this candle is above previous candle, and on the below side also the wick is below this day candle wick. So this is completely a signal that on this day bears have took over the market. Anything that has happened in the previous day was completely erased, which means the price should move further down. What we can see here, also the price returned below 1.10755, which was a support level, which was confirmed what we have seen on the 4-hour candle. Now when we move again on the 4-hour time frame, we will see what has happened. After the price has returned down, and this is this move, we have seen that the price bounced a little bit up, did not close on the 4-hour time frame below 1.10755, what we can see here. But then on the next 4-hour we have seen the price moving down. But when the price closes below this support level, now it becomes resistance. What we can see here, the price returned back up 2 times, 3 times, and confirmed this level as a resistance. What we can see here is the candle that formed after this candle that has break below did not close below this level. But what has happened, next two candles on a 4-hour time frame reached up there on the resistance level, but they closed below. This was also a signal the price will move further down. The next level where the price has stopped, just a minute, the next level where the price has stopped is the current level here, what we can see here. This is a downtrend channel, what we can see here, and the price stopped right at it on it. What we can see here is also this level was respected in the previous break below from the upper side. Here it is the level, this candle was stopped on this level. So what we can see here is the downtrend channel support line, which supports the price from moving down. But there is no other levels here that will prevent the price moving down. The next level which will support price from moving down is this start of this supply zone, of the demand zone. So what we can see here, when the price has moved from the upper side, it stopped here on this level, which is 1.09860 support level. Next time the price will turn back down and stop it at this level, which is also a start level of the demand zone. So the next level is this one. What we could see here from the current level is the price returning back up to 1.10755 and testing again as a resistance level, and then breaking below this downtrend channel support line, and then finally reaching this start of the demand zone and then this 1.09860 support level. This is a confluence of support what we can see here. We have horizontal support level, we have downtrend channel support line, and then we have again the second downtrend support level. We can see here also the bullish pressure below this support level, which indicates that this pressure here for the bulls will be a decision level. If the price breaks below, and we can see here a strong bearish engulfing candle that is supporting that move, we could see the price reaching this level, 1.08846 as a support level. It is a decision level for the bears. If the price breaks below this level, the next one is 1.07825, which was also the lowest level in the last several weeks. On the upper side, what we need is the price reaching again above 1.10755. And that is important. What we can see here in the last 3 attempts, this was a decision level. But this is also a stronger resistance level for the price, what we can see here. This level did not allow the price to move and close the day above. If the price reaches this level, it will be hard to break above and close the day. But if it closes, this will also mean the market has changed the bias from the bearish into bullish mode. So it is time to wait until the price moves out of this area. This area was indecision area for the price, what we can see here, and we have said in the previous analysis that the price will be squeezed out, and when the price is will be squeezed out, it will be a sharp move, which was here visible. So again, we have here confluence of support, and it's also a strong resistance level. We need to wait until the price makes a move in any of the directions. This was one attempt, but the price reached upper resistance level, which is stronger level than this one, and the price was pushed down. So it is time to wait. Let's see what will happen on Monday. After the Monday ends, we will be much more smarter as we were on this week, where we had a bullish pin bar indicating the price will move up, which was a really nice price action signal to enter and take the profit. This move was, just a minute, where are you? Here you are. This move was 236 pips long. So if you have entered on this level, if you have entered here when the day has closed, you could log 172 pips. This was mentioned in the email analysis I send every week to all of you who are subscribed to my emails newsletter. So if you want to get a new email with the entry levels, you can sign up on the email, which you can find below the video, and get the new trading idea. So this is all for this week. Let's see what will happen on a Monday, which will define, I think, the rest of the week. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!